Jetstream Meter Reading takes our passion for flying and applies it to the utility service industry. We perform aerial meter reading and data collection, allowing efficiency and cost management to all service providers. What a great day to fly.
Hello and welcome to another Jetstream meter reading video. Today I have the incredible pleasure to bring you a special series which I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process of what it looks like to be a utility service provider for Kittitas County PUD. First thing we're going to do is go get the equipment, then we're going to check the weather, pre-flight the airplane, and of course we're going to go fly. Alright, let's get to the video. Alright guys, now we got the package. We have the radio that we use to receive the signals from the meters, and the tablet which we use to let us know where the meters are and when we read them. So let's jump over to Monday morning to go check the weather, pre-flight the airplane, and fly. Alright, let's get. Alright guys, now we got all the weather all checked out, and as you can see it is a gorgeous day, a perfect day to fly. So let's go head to the airport, pre-flight the airplane, and read those meters. We'll catch you later. Hello, welcome. We finally made it to Bowers Field Airport here in Ellensburg, Washington. Today we're going to be doing the Kittitas County PUD meter read flight. This is our lovely little plane, and it's a beautiful day to fly, as you can see. So let's get right to it.
Thank you all so much for joining us in this special Jetstream meter reading video, and we'll see you next time.